Guys, today I will show you how the pipes are laid in a Hume pipe culvert. So I have come here. This is the vehicle to inspect the site. Contractor personnel are there. Hume pipe culvert. Site already is called return or has already constructed. Outer side, it has this pipe is internal front-centered pipe. So in common language it is called in the connection it is called male and female. So these two pipes will be joined and there will be a collar. Here it is, color is not provided, so I will join it with the cement mortar only. The pipe should not move. That's why they are placing some stones down there, as you can see. measures shall be taken during this laying this pipe. Follow my channel Wonderful Earth to watch this type of wonderful videos. Properly so that the bucket of the excavator can push it so that the male one will enter into the female.